Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning again. So I welcome you again. Okay, so आज का जो प्रोग्राम है, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, आज हम लोग एंड करने वाले हैं इस सेशन को. ओके, सो आज का प्रोग्राम का मैं ओवरव्यू बता रही हूँ आपको कि क्या क्या इवेंट्स आज होने वाले हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले
प्लस थ्री कौन कर काय पीसा कराने दिस प्लस थ्री में
चाहूंगी हमारे एकेडमिक ऑफिसर को, एओ सर, सॉरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर प्रणव सर यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं. उसके बाद यहाँ पे और भी काफी सारे टीचर्स भी प्रेजेंट हैं जो कि आपसे डेफिनेटली इंटरेक्शन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट आप एकेडमिक हेड से भी कुछ डेफिनेटली इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं एंड हमारे चेयरमैन सर भी हमारे साथ हैं जो कि आपसे इंटरेक्शन करेंगे. ओके, और जिनको कोई भी क्वेरीज होगा वो डेफिनेटली आप हैंड रेज कर सकते हैं एंड उसके बाद जब हम आपके नाम आएगा देन आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे. So I welcome our secretary sir, Mr. Ajay Kumar Panda. He is with us, and our administrative officer is also here. And now I welcome our group head, Mr. Mahanti sir. He is also with us.
Okay, so it's audible. Well, very good morning, all students.
Good
Morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Very good. You are fine. You all are fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So I think before we start into the general, general way of going into details, I will just have a small address to all of you. This one journey that all the students, along with all our teachers, I think has been a memorable one. So I could not be a part of all your program in your day-to-day basis because I was in a different medical work and like that. But I have attended some of your classes, and I have seen the interactions the students has made with our teachers, and the teachers, they were being involved in giving the best way it was possible to all of you is something I would say is an outstanding. So towards this thing, I will just tell you that where the Pragati Concept School or Pragati Integrated Classes came into this way of interactions and how it could manage it in this period of times. Apart from that, it was really a very difficult situation the whole world is facing through. And in that times, I think it was the effort of the teachers and the cooperation of the students that made it possible. And I would rate it as a grand success, isn't it? So everybody, all of you have, I think, enjoyed the classes. And moreover, I will say you that you have learned a lot of things. That's because, we generally have in mind that after, matriculation is over, we generally have in mind that we'll go into the college, study, and that is just something different, which it was not possible due to this pandemic. But I'm telling you, the way our teachers, I had seen one day your induction classes and the career prospect, what you are having was taken by Shiksha Madam. And that was, I think, she did it in a very nice way. And many of you also asked a lot of questions I was going through. And that, I think that was fabulous. Apart from that, the physics, Udit Sars, generally we rate physics as one of the difficult subjects. And he put a lot of, funny things into it. And making physics into a funny subject, I think no one can do better than your Udit Sars. Apart from that, I'm sure that the emotional bonding that was created by Rohit Sir in the mathematics, and you all have a fear on mathematics, and I'm sure that after this 1 month of session, you must have mastered to some extent the mathematics, and they bonded you emotionally and made an attachment to the subject mathematics, and it's created to Rohit Sir. And everybody, Jolie Madam was taking classes of your elder sisters, and that she was doing he was just the way they were taking classes. And finally, I would say that each and everybody who have involved in our classes, including Tamanna also taking very nice classes, and in IT also, everybody has done excellent, and your principal, Sarad Sars, and sometimes and voice messages of our group heads, Mahanti Sars, Pranab Sars, involvement. Everybody has done in an excellent way, and I'd like to exactly give you a big thanks from the management side to all the faculty members who have made it possible, and it was possible due to the cooperation of the students. And one thing I would tell you, we have done it earlier also in the previous year also, but this year we have seen the students to be more interactive, the students to be more inquisitive on the subject, and I think this gives a simple idea about your curiosity and interest to study science. Wherever you study science, maybe in the Pragati Concept School, Pragati Integrated Classes elsewhere, but I am very happy that you all have developed an interest, and this year in these pandemic situations and being in their homes, your interest is commendable, right? So next part I will tell you that life has a lot of things, we must understand it, that this is a transit period, a small period. We are giving a pause to our lives. Remember, this is not that this 2 years is a whole life. We have a long way to go. You have a bright career awaiting for you. And remember, if you are able to utilize this pandemic period, remember the difficulty time can reap you the richest, product. So difficult time, if you are able to manage it, you learn the tactics to manage the many difficulties in your lives, and it will finally give you lot of benefits. So in the coming days, I think these times will not only give you a confidence, apart from that, you will definitely have an developed the ability to solve any difficulty that will come across in futures. I'm telling you that I was in Bhubaneswar from last 15 days, and I have seen, I was going through some, I was talking to some of the school chairmen and my friends, and the way we have managed it, the number of students in the Pragati Concept schools, where I did not find anywhere they had this number of students. And the involvement, the way we have conducted the examinations, various slot examinations, the way the your weekend activities were being conducted, and your involvement apart from the study also, that is very encouraging for all of us, right? So if after that we'll have a small interactive session. I love to listen from all of you any queries that you have in your mind, so that as a secretary of the institutions, what better you can do for you in features, or anything that you find as a suggestion and recommendation like that. It will be very nice for me to hear from each one of you, and I think that part we will go. And anybody from you can ask me some questions like that. You may ask me some suggestions like that, and put a remark also, right? Anybody? Do you have anything in your mind that is sure to put?
Sir, I have a question.
Good.
Sir, does learning also happen outside the classroom and textbook as well?
Learning.
Yes, sir. Learning method.
Extracurricular activities that you are asking about.
Yes, sir.
See,
Apart
we are
from
having apart from the classroom. See what happens now in the schools. You just have to keep it in mind that this is just not exactly the school, not exactly the college. It has secondary levels, and once we are studying at post 2 science, we are focusing on post 2 science, not on schools. And our main agenda is how best you can do in post 2 science. We have some periods for extracurricular activities, like in Saturday and Sunday, but our focus has been on education only. Particularly, we do, but very less. As much time you are giving in the schools, you won't get that much of time for your extracurricular activities here in plus 2, because you see what we plan is maximum to complete your course. We plan.
Excuse me, sir. Your voice is not audible.
Like that. Okay. Anything more?
Sir, I have a query.
You can raise your hands.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
May
What's your
I ask
name?
a question? Sir, how skilled are the faculties of Pragati and how is the interaction with the pupils?
See, we have, I think in the last 1 month, you must have seen how the faculties are. And we not only teach you, but teach the subject. We give stress on the learning activities. So what is important is going into and teaching the basic concept, what is very necessary. That is the point we have met in the plus 2 science, in the CRTC, as well as the same thing we are going to do in the CBSE, so that your concepts are clear. And I am sure that the faculties you are having are the best faculties, to my belief, and they not only get yourself involved in the classroom activities, apart from that also they get involved in your outside classroom activities also, so that you get boosted, you get encouraged, and whatever problem you are having in the academic, non-academic, that is being solved. That is the one thing that we are having in the Pragati that you won't get elsewhere. And I feel proud myself that these sorts of faculties are there with me, right? So you need not to be worried. I am sure that your concept will be clear and you will feel confident studying here and taking admission here, right?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, I'm
What's your
Afrin
name? Those
Fatima
who are
from
asking any
Kissinger.
question, you just tell me your name.
Sir, I'm Afrin Fatima from Kissinger.
Okay, Afrin, yes.
Sir, I have a query.
Okay.
Could you please give a brief summary about the life at Pragati? Am I going to enjoy my upcoming years there?
Nice, nice. Very good, very good. See, a very nice question. And we are talking about the life, isn't it? So it's not like that once you take admission in Pragati, generally it is being perceived that once you take take admission in Pragati, you'll only be starting. It's not like that. We have a very good campus life here, where at least you will find number of activities and number of memorable events that will last you forever. I'm telling you that apart from the various cultural activities, we do celebrate whatever you are having in your life there. We do celebrate here. We do celebrate here Holi, and you do celebrate here your Eid al-Fitr जो भी हो, ये मतलब मुस्लिमों का हो, हिंदुओं का हो, सबका. We celebrate here, the various functions, weekend functions we celebrate. We celebrate here. We have our annual functions like that. And each and every moment that we celebrate, apart from the academics also, that is very much memorable. And I'm sure that we are not going to miss your family, not going to miss your homes once you take admission, once you are in Pragati. So Pragati, it brings a life full of joy, full of happiness, right? And where I'm sure that each day in your next, whenever, how much year you are going to stay in Pragati, I do not know, but that will be a memorable one. So we'll have a life full of joy there, definitely. And you need not to be worried. We do celebrate each and every occasion that we celebrate while in our homes, right? Just because here, more than 1,000 students are studying this, more than I think 1,500 students are studying this. And we groom students from the standard 6 to BSc plus the science. And when a student is taking admission at class 6, we expect that the students pass around 12 to 13 years inside the Pragati campus. And if you cannot make his life joyful, he cannot make his life memorable, he cannot enjoy his life and will go on studying, I think at the end, we'll find some dull students coming out of the Pragati. So need not to be worried. You will have a home away from home, apart from the studying and everything, right? Got my point, Afrina?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, myself Utpala Harpal from Dharmavaj.
Good. Utpala. Yes, Utpala.
And talents and creativities.
I could not get point. You can repeat the question.
Sir, are the students encouraged to showcase their talents and creativities?
Yes. We have the various activities apart from the non-outdoor activities. We have also outdoor activities, like we have the sports competitions that we do every year, and a lot of activities here. The co-curricular activities are the part of these academic calendars, so need not to be worried. We have a lot of activities apart from in the school level. We used to have the dance classes, we have the karate classes like that, but we minimize it in the +2 science, right? 10 + 2, we minimize it as because we have a lot, we give a lot of focus to the academics, but we are having non-academic activities, but it minimizes it. It refresh it. We do it as much as it refreshes your brain and mind, and you are able to concentrate more on your studies. That is our point. Not like that you have a career in the sport. That is through that part we do not do here. So we have the activities that will refresh you, that will give you more energy to study more. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Arpit Patnaik from Bimla Convent School.
Good, Arpit. Yes.
Sir, what are the streams offered and their subject combination in Pragati?
Okay. Subject combination, we are having the science stream, and subject combination is you can take science and commerce. right? In the subject combination, you'll have physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, computer science, and any 4 you can take apart from the English, 4 and plus 5 subject English. So any 3 you can take. You don't have physical education, right? So you are having physics, chemistry, math, biology, computer science, and English.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
I'm Amisha Mahanti. Sir,
Ah,
I
yeah,
have a
Amisha,
question that how much
Right.
competent and productive are the coaching faculties?
About coaching faculties, na? Right. See, about
Yes,
the
sir.
coaching, we have a tie-up with Super 30, who are very much experts in giving coachings. So due to pandemic, they are taking classes online. Before that, they used to come here weekend, and we are very shortly going to have our in-campus coaching faculties, where we'll have a teacher for the physics, chemistry, math, and biology. Apart from the offline classes, once it resumes, you will have a lot of online examinations where you have to give the lot of test series for the JEE and the NEET that we are going to have this year. And we have a lot of opportunity here and lot of exposure we will get, and regular on a weekend basis we'll have the online examinations. And our faculty, in-house faculty, will take care. We have the regular classes up to 2 o'clock and the evening slots almost 3 to 4 days in a week. Parallelly, apart from the regular courses, we'll have the entrance classes. So more focus will be given to your entrance classes, and we have a planned career plan where we have to complete all your syllabus. That's why we have started early. Syllabus complete in the 6 months, and next we can see our students qualifying directly for the NEET and IIT. So do believe in that, and we are going to have it very shortly. Okay, Amisha.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm Smarak Ranjan
Very
Sahu
good
from
morning.
Vimla Convent School.
Okay.
Sir, I have a query. How
Yeah.
the pass out students perform in their academic career?
Pastoral students. See, we have the one batch who has done excellently well, where the first batch of students, all India ratio was 80% in the CBSE 12, and our ratio was 100%, where all the students got first divisions, with the second batch of students 100 I think 100 students. They're supposed to give this examination this year, and we have in the second year 160 students. So the students are doing excellent way, and remember that here, apart from that, you will get the best result, I think. And Pragati is known for the result only. Do not to be worried, right? So the students, pass out students, I am telling you, not only in the CBSE, in the CHSE also, we'll find our students doing excellent and engaged, and in a very reputed companies like Infosys, TCS, Google. Apart from that, we will find our students in the Air Force, Navy, anywhere you will go, you will find a Pragati students qualified, doing their best in a very good jobs, right? So we are very well known for giving the best education, and our students are doing excellent in the top position today in various companies, apart from the private, even the government also, right?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. I have one more question.
Right.
Does our Pragati College have its own e-learning platform?
I could not get your point. Does Pragati College
have its own e-learning platform?
Yes, we are having e-learning, and I think you are taking class on e-learning. We have a Pragati e-learning.
Yes,
Pragati e-learning app. There we have to download upon the Google app, and we have our own system where we have a broadband connection. We have on our tower is completely Wi-Fi campus is set up in the campus, where we have a Geo towers. We have the BSNL tower inside it, and the campus is completely Wi-Fi. And you take the classes. We have a very well organized and the well system oriented connection is there, and it is completely till the offline classes are started. We are having our own applications, and in this way you can take the classes. Exams are also being conducted in an online mode, and that you have to download all that application of Pragati, where you can have a seamless e-learning, and need not to be worried.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Ananya Rinma Chaudhary.
Ananya.
Sir, after 12th, is there any coaching facilities?
See, till date, we don't have such facilities after 12th. For this one onwards, as I have said, and you must have heard that we have our in-campus faculties. So from this year onwards, the in-campus, we have in-house the faculties. They will take care of the students who are interested to prepare after +2, after the examination is over. So from this year onwards, we are going to have these facilities where the students who are passing out after these +2 examinations, they can avail this facility and stay here and have a full-fledged coachings for their NEET and medical examinations, NEET and engineering examinations. So need not worry, we are having that facility from this year onwards, and you can get that facility here after +2 science also. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, I am Gautami Agrawal from Kesinga, and I
Okay.
have a query that would I be a proud Pragatian after the ending of my 2 years journey?
Yes, we believe that those who are taking admissions are going to be the proud Pragatians. And we feel proud that you are the students, and each and every students who are taking admissions, we have the confidence that they become proud Pragatians, not in respect of only getting a degree or getting the good marks. Definitely, that is the benchmark of Pragati. Those who are taking admission, studying well, they are getting good marks. Apart from that, you nurture the quality, a good characters, where you feel proud and say outside that yes, I am the Pragatians and I can do better, apart from getting the good marks also. So you don't dodge the students on the basis of the marks is getting us is getting, the basis of the characters or the qualities, she learns from here. Here she learns from here, and that is what a person should be known as. And I'm sure that those who are taking admission will feel that yes, I am a proud Pragatian. And our objective is that also to make all the students who are taking admission as a proud Pragatians. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Good
question.
morning.
Good morning.
My name is Ansh Jain from Raigada.
Okay.
So my question is that if in Pragati schools, the conceptual knowledge is focused more or theoretical knowledge?
See, we always must have, even in the classes now, from the last 1 month. Okay. So we believe in the conceptual learnings, where I think those who are taking admissions, we go into the basics. We see first, make an examination, and we see that what we have learned in the high school levels, and go deeper into it so that your concept is clear. I believe myself, I have also a very much witness for the physics, and I believe that once your concept is not clear, we are going to face a lot of problems in the later part. If your concept is not clear in the first year, you may get good marks, but it will be very difficult for you to qualify the JEE examinations. So our focus has been to clear all your doubts, and important is that your concept is clear so that you are able to read a book yourself and understand what is written in the books. That is the objective here we make, isn't it? We can help you out to learn, remember. And once concept is not clear, then I don't think that will be simply like that. Now you will go on mugging up, and that that will, in the long run, you will not be benefited. So our concept is that we go on clearing your conceptual doubts, where you are able to develop the ability to read the books, NCERT books. You should, at the end of the 2 to 3 months, you should able to read the NCERT books, understand the topics, and you are able to solve the problem yourself. That is our objective, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, I have another query.
Yeah.
Sir, there are many educational institutions, but why should I choose Pragati? What are the unique features which makes it different from others?
Right. See, I will tell you first that there are not only Pragati, there are many institutions in India who are like Pragati. I think not like that I should say that Pragati is the best, not like that. So there are a lot of factors that depend and that shape the career of the students. We hear what happens. Why I am saying that Pragati is different from others is like that. As I have said earlier, first thing is that we understand the team that we are having. I do think that the best team we are having. And second important thing is going to the concept where we are not exactly the professional the way the other schools and colleges are there. If you, for example, take a admission, very good reputed organizations, say in Visakhapatnam, also in Bhubaneswar Sai International. I don't take the names, but any other school, they are very much professional. What they do, they simply come, take the classes, definitely they clear your doubts, but they don't go deeper into your life. Remember, that's because we are more over a fully residential school and colleges, and our timing has been for the day schooler also from the morning to almost evening, and our focus has been to not only teach but to make the students learn. That makes the difference probably. And same thing we do implement in the schools as well, and that is what makes a bit of Pragati a different institution than others. Okay, and also we not only teach you, here you groom the students. So here the team is the best, I think, where from the chairman to the secretary to the principal to each and every faculty GS, even not teaching staff also, they treat you as a family members. That I don't think you will get elsewhere. That definitely make a big difference once you take admission elsewhere. And we understand the people from this area particularly. We know the schools from which school we are coming, how the education has been there, and we go into details, which I don't think that any other schools there in metro cities and Bhubaneswar, or you say in Visakhapatnam, that go detail into it. So that is what, and that research, the case study we have made, and made a lot of thought process into it, and taken decisions like that, and we go deeper into it, make your doubt clear. We try to have a pleasant stay. Apart from that, we groom the students, not only we teach the students. That's why Pragati is definitely different from others.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir,
Yes.
my name is Siddharth, sir. Sir, I am from Kisinga. Sir, my question is, sir, what are the optional subjects except, sir, main subject?
What are the
optional subject?
Optional. You are going to take admission in science or commerce?
The science, sir.
Science now. See, we are having 5 subjects. PCMB, PCM, English, physics, chemistry are compulsory.
Sir.
And math, biology, and computer science. We have to choose 2.
Sir.
Okay. We have to choose 2 out of biology, math, and computer science. And the 3 subjects, English, physics, chemistry, are compulsory. You have to plan it according to your interest, according to what career you are going to make. And this is a very important decision that you should make now before taking admissions.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my name is Suchismita Panda. I am from Sri Satyasai Vidya Mandir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between CBSE and CHSE?
See, to the students, absolutely there is no difference between CBSE and CHSE. Right. What basic difference we are having is that here we are having 500 marks. There we have to appear for the 600 marks. Right. Here 5 subjects, there are 6 subjects. And the medium of teaching is English in the CHSE and the CBSE also. And to a good students, it makes absolutely no difference between CHSE and CBSE. So it is up to you where you want to study. So far, I understand that in the CBSE, the mark fetching is somewhat better. That's because more number of students get here 90% like that. In the CHSE, in all Odisha also, we have very less number of students they get. That is the difference. But regarding the syllabus, regarding the courses, regarding the books, that doesn't make any difference. You can learn a lot of things in the CHSE. You can qualify for the IIT. You can qualify for the JEE from the CHSE. One of the students from Pragati last year got 675 marks in NEET examinations and taken admissions, Swastik Ranjan Panda, in AIMS Raipur. He is from CHSE students, not from the CBSE. He got 675 marks out of 720 and took admission in Raipur AIMS. So need not to be worried. Your concept can be cleared in CHSE and CBSE also. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have another question. Sir, there is difference in any facilities?
I could not get your point. Is there?
Sir, there is any different in facilities?
Different facilities.
Yes, sir. For girls.
Yeah, they are having a lot of facilities. You have the basic facilities that it is required for the students, like hostels, right? You'll be staying in the very good hostels. We have a very good campus. You will be playing badminton. You will be playing, we are having also basketball. Very shortly going to open a basketball ground also in the girls campus, and girls complex is completely separate. Okay, so you will enjoy your day, and the facilities are very much, I think, excellent. You can see all the footage and the videos also, that I can. So need not to be worried. We are having the best facilities where you'll enjoy, and it will be going to be home away from home. Okay, you will have a very good friends also, and that lot of things are there in the hostel. Separate campuses there, boys also separate campuses there. Okay, you have the academic blocks, non-academic. We have separate canteens. We have playgrounds and everything we are having. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, because I said that I'm going to read in Pragati. That's why.
Good. Almost welcome. Okay.
Sir, I have a question apart from education, sir. Sir, what kind of food is provided in the canteen, and does the mess follow?
We have right. In the canteen, we provide food of all sorts of food, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Apart from the breakfast, we have evening snacks, lunch, and dinner. Where it is said weekly, it has been weekly it is said that what we are going to have in the Monday or what we are going to Tuesday. So every day have a separate list of menu we'll get, and in order to be worried, we'll have the 3 times I think non-vegetarian food we are providing. Those who are vegetarians, they go for the paneer and that is mushrooms like that. So need not to be the best delicious foods is provided here, and we all take food, including me also take food here. So we are having the best facilities for that. Also in the different occasions like Holi, in what Janmashtami, you will have sweets and other all the things. So we'll take care of the things. This is not like that one should take admission in Pragati. We believe in that. Your very important is the intake, because you are going to work hard. 8 to 10 hours you are going to hard work, and one input that you are going to have is the intake. So quality food is very necessary to give the best result. Right. So that will definitely commensurate with your hard work. If you are working hard, you need a lot of mental work is even more than physical hard work. So in that way, you need to feed up like that. So need not be worried. We are having very good delicious items. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So this is Niharika.
Yeah.
So I have a question that is there any hostel facilities? If there, so what are the features of the hostels in Pragati?
What are the? Niharika, what are the
features, sir?
Features, not teachers. Features.
Features,
yes.
Sir.
Features. Okay. So features I have said earlier. In the hostels we are having, yes, I think you know about it. In the hostels we are going to have the separate hostel. We are having separate hostel here. In the school also we are going to being constructed separate hostel for these CBSE students, and there you can get all the facilities. We are having also very shortly a very good girls common room inside the campus. Inside the hostel also we are going to have a girls common room, where I think we'll be providing some of the, apart from the study. Suppose we are exhausted with the study, we want to go and relax there. We go into the common rooms, switch on the TV, like that facility is going to be developed, where we will be relaxed. Apart from that, everything that is required. That will be the commonly reading room, some common rooms will be there. We are going to have that, and you will enjoy that. Apart from that, we are going to provide in hostels, in girls hostel campus, we have a basketball ground, we have a badminton ground, and a table tennis. Very shortly, whatever you have in your mind and necessary, that is in a very good international school, you will very shortly, maybe in this session, you will get in Pragati. Right. So that activity you will do in the in afternoon session particularly.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, this is Madira, and sir, I have a question. Is it affiliated by CBSE or not? And what is the difference being affiliated?
And right. Very good. See what happened. We have these schools, particularly the higher secondary levels. It has just opened, so we don't have the direct affiliations, but we are having and what we will say, like that in Akash and like that we will get in Bhubaneswar, we are tech to schools, so there need not to be problems, and you will be appearing examinations in the here KB Bhavani Patna, Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhavani Patna. You need not to go elsewhere. Generally what happens now, those schools are not affiliated, they get tagged and take their students to the center, which is 100-200 kilometers, but that is not like here in Pragati. You will appear at examinations in KB Bhavani Patna. It is tagged to the nearest schools till we get the affiliation. We are expecting that by next years, that 2020 or 23, we'll get the affiliations. Okay.
Yes, sir. As now you told that it is an international school, so can you please say where are the branches of it?
No, international schools not like that. International schools doesn't have other branches, isn't it? This is called like that. The schools it have the quality or the facility that we are going to have will be in international standards, but it will don't have any branches. We are having all the facilities. We don't want the branches of the schools also. For the next, I think 4 to 5 years, we will not have any branches, but we want to go focus and make this as the international standards.
Okay. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I am Bhaskar. Sir, I have queries about section. Sir, in college campus, what is about the ragging and security of the student? Does the school campus provide any security against the ragging?
Yes. See, first thing I would like to tell you that ragging I don't think ragging is there in any of these schools and colleges in India. This is completely banned, and the students as well as the teachers, those who are taking admission, those who are seniors, they are well aware of this ragging situations, that what action will be taken to the students who are involved in this process. So absolutely be fearless. There is no such ragging in Pragati campus. Apart from that, I am telling you that all our corridor, all our buildings is under CCTV surveillance. Need not to be worried. Second thing, you will have supervisors, you will have your support staff who are there 24/7 into it. And more important is that our classroom activities that will last for around 10 to 12 hours. Apart from that, wherever you will go, so there is a chances of that. Now what happens in the big campus? Generally, the hostels are situated far away from the campus, where they don't come under the supervision of the teachers. So here you will get all your staff, all your teachers, even the supervisors with you. So need not to be completely completely it is a ragging free zones. You will enjoy your time from the day once, but there is no such ragging activities in the Pragati. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have
myself Parmeshwar Naik. Classes, are there any doubt clearing class?
Yes, very good. Good questions. So what happens now? Those who are taking admissions, we do not know what is your standard is. Those who are taking admissions, it's not like this. All the students are having good students, and all the students have, even 90-95% like this. So there is the students, difference between the students' ability and capability. So we definitely take care of this. We have certainly there is a doubt clearing classes. We do understand that many students do not they do not understand a lot of things in the classrooms. We have the weekend test like that, where we do a close watch of the students who are not doing well, and you take care of them, make separate sections, and have to take separate classes so that their doubts are clear for the day ones. So definitely there is a doubt clearing classes throughout the years, and that is one of the best things in Pragati we are having, where doubt is clear. And we want that many students, those who are having problems, should feel, put it in their mind, they take it in their mind that they don't, judge in a different way, or they don't get sidelined by, my doubt is not clear, I'm not able to ask. Even go to this level and promote the students, encourage the students to ask questions. Many students are there who are shy, they don't ask questions. They can remain in their minds. They don't express their doubt. So we take care of the students who ask the doubts, and we choose the students who are somewhat not able to understand the topic and make a separate group. And there is definitely a separate doubt clearing classes, so need not to be worried.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, I have another question.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. I am
Very
Mansi
good
from
morning.
Old Institute.
Mansi.
I have a query. What are innovative teaching strategies in science classroom?
Very good question, sir. See, science itself is nothing but an innovation, isn't it? So important thing is that, so we follow here, and our main strategy is that what is basic is that we go into teaching you as per the NCERT syllabus, right? Apart from that, we go into teaching, and our classrooms activity is there. There how it happens, many topics are there which need to be taught in a different way. Suppose there are some concepts, 3D concepts are there. We are unable to understand it. We show them the video classes. We have 3D animations like that. We show them some in chemistry. You have thought about the tetrahedral structures, but you cannot see what is tetrahedral structure. We have the models. You have seen the eye, isn't it? We show it in the 3D also. Apart from that, we have also a model. So that is very important, and that is in most of these schools we are having also. So same thing we are having, and so that you do understand the current trend of learnings. That even in the also you will very shortly see all these things also after in this online classes also, where we will be definitely apart from the classroom, we'll have a good exposures towards these 3D models, 3D way of learning. We have smart classes, isn't it? That is also by it just we have extra marks from the extra marks also we are having. So that is also being that is there already. So we hope that all these things, this innovation way of teaching, will definitely clear all your doubts. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
So good morning.
Samiksha Pradhan.
Yeah.
So keeping in mind the current scenario of this pandemic, will my learning career be hampered?
See, I don't think so, isn't it? Maybe that we are all passing through difficult times. It is up to the students. Suppose you are in your homes. You have ample time, 24 hours time. You will think that in that way I am unable to attend the classes. I am yes, because offline classes are not there. I may not be do. This is completely depend on the state of mind you are having. If you think that I have the mobiles and this is a good gadget for me, I have access to the international learning standards, and definitely will get benefits. I don't think that pandemic has become a bottleneck and hurdle to your education. Rather, it has given you an opportunity to learn more and explore more. It is up to the state of mind. And this is an opportunity, remember. And these things definitely have strengthened you, not weakened you. Okay, so in no way I think this pandemic have hampered your study. Okay, Samiksha.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have another question. Does it have its own smart classrooms, science and computer lab with proper connectivity?
Yes. Obviously, we are having our science labs. We are having our proper connectivities there. Already we are having the broadband connection. We are taking online classes from the campus itself. So we are having all these facilities, and those small facilities, if you do think there is no, that I think your offline classes once started will be taken care. We are having all full-fledged. We have the physics lab, full-fledged. We have chemistry labs, full lab. We have computer science labs. Okay, and that other facilities we are having. We have already smart classrooms. We have interactive classrooms with smart. What is this? Extra marks also, and we are having good internet facilities. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have another
question.
Uh-huh.
Sir, what is the procedure to take admission at Pragati, and what are the documents which we need to submit?
That will be, I think, explained to you in details, and you will get the detailed information on your WhatsApp. What are the documents required, and that is, I think, will be communicated to you. And our academic head and group head, Mr. Mahanti, will tell you in details about how the document required. And those who want to take admissions, they can contact our admission in charge, and accordingly he will guide what the documents required. That is not a problem.
Sir, I have another question.
Okay.
Are involvements and achievements outside academics also encouraged and supported?
Yes. I have said we have, apart from the academic, we do go for the non-academic activities, co-curricular activities, but that is designed to refresh your mind so that you give more concentration to the study. Okay, that is the thing that we are doing in Pragati, because we will have only 2 years of time. We have in our mind how you can crack JEE, how you can crack NEET. That is our focus, first focus. Second focus is that we go into the non-academic activities. So we don't give more stress to the non-academic activities like your extracurricular activities. That is done to refresh your mind and brains. Okay. So Siddhi,
Yes,
it is actually this mic is not audible. So Shruti Mehra. What questions? I hope you all have clear all your doubts.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing? And I'm very happy that you all asked a lot of questions. Very interesting. Huh? You have a lot of things in your mind. Good, good. That's what is inquisitiveness and curiosity is. And I'm very happy that you all are very curious to know all these things. Sorry. Very good.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question, sir.
Okay, you can ask.
Sir, fee structure of Pragati, sir. Fees.
Fee structure Pragati, that will, I think, you'll be intimated to you about the fee structures, and our academic in charge will inform you. You'll have the numbers. Otherwise, you will share it in the group. You can directly ask them about the various fee structures and how much fee structure is and what category, how much fees you are taking, some different category also. Okay, that will be intimated to you, and you can ask those who are in the admission in charge. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I think it was very nice interacting with all of you, and I am very happy that most of you enjoyed your classes, and you not only you all are a good students. Apart from the many of you are good singer and good dancers, isn't it? And we have a lot of talent in you, and we are very happy that our teachers could explore all these things, and it's very necessary, I think. So, if you are only studying, it will make your life really monotonous. You need to be refreshing yourself. And during this pandemic, we all are connected, and we are refreshing also, I think. I really feel it like that I missed a lot of things because I could not become a part of this beautiful programs. And I have seen Smruti Meher. He was given a very nice video. That was very interesting. I got really impressed with the way she thanked the teachers and the schools.
Thank you.
One more questions was there from NCR Delhi. Siddhi Bhabia. Siddhi, you can ask your question. Is it audible to you? She was asking something. You was could not connect. Hello. Siddhi, you can ask the questions. It is exactly your voice is not audible. Black. Hello. Hello. I'm unable to hear you. You can type the questions. No, you can type the questions.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
What is your take on vocational education?
Vocational education. See, we don't have, I think in the vocational education, we are not into it. They are not into this vocational education part. That is a different, the vocational education is different. Maybe the new education policy come into act. I think they are going to introduce all this vocational stream into the +2 science level also. I think once NEP 2021 come into force, your vocational streams and vocational subjects will come into this +2 science. Till that, they are in our syllabus don't have any vocational educations. What career counseling. Okay. See, very nice. One more question from Siddhi. He was talking about the career counseling programs, isn't it? So I am telling you that you study +2 science or whatever is +2 science is an intermediate career, isn't it? Doesn't give you a career, but it's an intermediate career. Here it will simply the result is a result give you a scope to study more for the higher educations. And after +2 science, I think we are talking about always engineering and the medicals. Many of you, I have also seen that we have put the questions to me about how we are going to, we are also talking about only IIT and NEET, IIT and NEET. Not like that. You know, you should definitely focus on NDA also. I am telling you, you should focus on the Air Force also. You should focus on this various activities like that. You should not only that being a doctor or engineer is a career, right? Also, you should plan for the UPSC civil service. You should start for the SSC examinations. So, lot of things are there, and I think we are having a career counseling teams with a Shiksha leading the way, and that I'm telling you that one of the students yesterday, Yashwant Kumar, called me. He is going to get the President's Award, and he studied in the +2 science year. After that, he joined NDA, and now he is in the, I think, in a very good position, officer positions in Indian Air Force, and he is supposed to get the presidential award. I will share in the WhatsApp very shortly. Presidential awards very shortly. So thing is that many careers are there, opportunity are there, and we are going to definitely explore it out. I have a plan that very shortly we'll also give you the idea, as well as you will give the teachings on how you want to study, how you want to qualify for the NDA examination also. So you should also plan for GPS examinations also. After +2 science, you should study general degree courses also. After that, you can go for the MBA examination, banking, railway, like that. So I have always things that now in your study after being a graduate, after graduate, whatever, maybe it is engineering, maybe it is a general graduate, BSc or BCom graduate or BA graduates, you should definitely plan for MBA also. There are many institutions that we are talking about. As we are talking about IITs, we should also know about the IIM, Institute of Management, where after, you know, if you are a student or if you are passed out from the IIM, I think you will be leading a lot of companies, and that will give you the best packages. You will have a lot of exposures. That thing also we keep it. You should have a long-term plan, not a short-term plans. I think if you are thinking about NDA, if you are thinking about IIM, if you are thinking of UPSC, you'll forget this NEET and you'll forget this IITs, right? So you definitely plan for that, and the opportunity is there. If you cannot do, if you cannot plan from now, and because you are the students of the 21st century, you should have the idea about it. Now, it's because you are in your home, you plan to see what is IIMs, how you are going to appear UPSC examinations. Many students from the poor background also, if they have the determination, they want to become the IAS, remember that it's not the teaching, but it is your dream, it is your ambitions that make you successful. Remember, I am going to do nothing. My teacher, what will do? They will simply teach you what is in your books. But what you want to achieve in your futures, that depend upon how big your dream is, isn't it? So that is very important. Remember, you should always plan for the biggest. You always plan for become the IAS officer, plan to become an IIM graduate, plan to become leading in a corporate house, plan to become a global leaders, like that. And that is very important for this generations to plan. Not only studying in +2 science, after that +2 science will get 90% mark, 95%. That is not the goal. You get 80% marks, but your objective is to do something that your family will cherish, the society, your district will feel proud of you. That is called the ambition. That is called the dream. Okay, I think you must have a plan, and make a plan. Write it in your book, write it in your copy, that I want to study in IIM. My final objective is that I want to become a scientist. I will study and research in IISR, right? I want to go and do a job in what is called Indian Institute of what is that called in science, CS, huh? IISc Bangalore, right? Like that. You should have like that ambitions. You should even, what I will say is that Indian Defense Force, NASA, you should have a plan for the NASA. You should make an ambition like that. Lately, many students are doing it, not like that. That is what give you a better career. Well, you will not only earn money, but you can enjoy your life. Okay. So Google, Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of the Google, is from India. He is an electrical engineer from the Madras University, but he is the CEO of the Google from Indians, isn't it? So everything is possible, and it is that a dream that makes that counts, not your marks in the +2 or +3. Okay. So I think it is. I will now pass this mic to our group head, Mr. Mohanty, and if you have any queries or anything that you want to ask, also you can ask him. And I think it was a beautiful session. I would love to see you in the campus, isn't it? And ask a lot of questions. Okay. We have some certificates and prizes also that you have. You know, we have many of you are going to receive all these things in this 1 month period of times. That will definitely boost you more. I hope we can meet it again in the campus. Okay. And I am also very happy. I'll be very happy. I take the classes in physics somewhat. So I will love to take your classes in physics also. Okay. So it is up to Sikya to carry forward.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your conversation. So now I am handing over mic to our academic head, Mr. Mohanty, sir.
Good morning, children.
Good
morning,
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Able to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, I'll just discuss 2 or 3 things. I'll not take time because I believe our secretaries has cleared all your doubts. What are the question you have asked? Really, it was very impressive, and you have shown the interest. That is very that is the main point. You are there to ask and clear your doubts. That is very important point in the life. Okay, if you will not clear your doubts in your life, then naturally, automatically, you will stock up. Okay, so now I will come to the basically. I will just summarize the entire things. What you asked our secretary sir and what secretary sir replied to you. But one thing, coming to the before going to that part, I thank all my children who attended that e-summer course. I said this is the first time. This is the first time. Lot of students across the Odisha, even one student from that NCR Delhi attend the e-summer course and shares her views in that group also that I have seen. It was so nice. Secondly, coming to 2-3 points, but children's very important when you are choosing a school. I have already told you class 10th exam or class 10 math is only required for the admission in 11. After that, the 10th certificate will become your birth certificate. But +2, that 11, 12 is totally different from 9th and 10th. Because this is the place, this is the where you can plan your career, make your foundation strong. Okay, so just I will discuss 2 or 3 things which is very important to the institutions. Coming to the main side here in Pragati, we don't believe to provide you only the qualification. Yesterday morning also when I wished you that also I repeatedly I told that thing. In Pragati we believe 2 things. We provide qualification and education both. Without education, this career qualification is worthless. So in Pragati, that will be there. when you'll go back after 2 years, you'll feel that, okay, what was my dream that is already fulfilled, and we will feel that we have made a good human being. Next, coming to the faculty, yes, we have the best faculties in Western Odisha. That yesterday also I have told you. We have faculty from BIT Misra, we have faculty from BITS Pilani, we have faculty from NIT Durgapur, we have faculty from this university and gold medalists from different university, and all our faculties not from local, they're faculty from the different part of the country, so that you will get the exposure. That was very important. Okay, and that exposure will help you to make your career after +2. Generally, everywhere we talk about the medical coaching, engineering coaching, that is already there in Pragati also. But in addition to medical and engineering coaching, we provide you the coaching for all entrance exam after the +2. Particularly somebody, if you're planning for that NDA or medical or engineering or computer science or CS or CA, whatever the entrance is there, we you will get that exposure from all our in-house faculty as well as the faculty had from the different places from India. So that is important to our faculty, in-house faculty, and the guest faculty always will be there, not to provide you academic, which is required for the particular result, and additionally they will also guide you to make your career in the proper way after the +2, so that you can choose the right path. That is very important. Generally, some question talk about that, some students talk about that online, offline. A student between India, naturally from last year, we are active in online, but if we talk about the others countries, they have already very active in online. If you'll see, you'll get lot of worldwide in top universities that they are providing online MBA, online other courses. Okay, even now started providing online workshop or online acting classes. That is that. So now you have, the time has come. So we have to upgrade our mind to that level. In addition to offline, the online will be there. So automatically we have to mind to face that situation, attend that class, and make your career successful. That is very important. That mindset of what Chairman sir told you. Coming to the particular our college, this is not a purely online classes. This is will be the online live classes. Online classes and online live classes totally different. In the online cases, this is only one side. In online live interact cases, in that cases you can interact with the teachers. Like offline classes, you feel the classroom at your home. That will be there. It will totally different because we have our own ePragati learning app. You have to download from the Play Store, and from the new academic session will start. That classes will be conducted through ePragati apps only. So in that, through that apps, you can do everything. You can interact with the teachers. You can clear your doubts. The teacher will teach you what to do. Everything, all the tests will be there. Everything will be there. So you will not feel that it is online or offline. That feelings you will get. Next, coming to the overall format, what is the difference between other college and our college? Is the each and every college, everyone automatically academic progress is there. But here with that already I have told you, we are always interested to make you good human being. So to make you be a good human being, you have to naturally be good in academic and good in non-academic also. So naturally, a lot of classes activities will be there on academic activities and non-academic activities. But all the academics automatically related to your life, which will help you for your career growth also. That is very important. And we have the test format also different from others. In each and every week, we have a what are the courses you studied, particular that we Monday to Saturday. We'll have a test. 1 week we'll have the academic test, other week we'll have the course from entrance test. So on that, in that way, automatically in the end of the year, you will be totally groomed up for the exam. Okay. Another question was there. What is the difference between the CBSE and SBSE? That's sir, I told you. Honestly, we have lot of boards in India. Different states, they have their own boards. Then in all India level, we have ICSE board, we have CBS, both are from Delhi. But difference, only one thing is there, in that ICSE board is purely basically an Indian board, okay, that's limited to India. And CBSE is not, is a worldwide board. And if you go to some foreign country, you will get that CBSE board in other countries also. That is one point. But most important factor that I think from 2019, before 2019, the CBSE used to conduct the all entrance test for the students who pass the +2 exam. That is CBSE, that they have their expertise to make the student career oriented. So in that, so that the naturally CBSE in that upper hand in compared to other boards. I am not blaming other boards are good or bad, but difference only one thing is every natural teaching is there, more or less course is there, but important that CBSE they have that expertise to make you your career oriented, so that after the +2 you can choose the right word and you can be successful but in your life. That is very important. Another question was regarding the affiliation and other things. Children, let me clear very this. This course is purely integrated course. We don't have any course without any coachings. Coaching means not medical engineer. The medical engineer coaching is there, but we already guide the students, particularly the after +2, to face the entrance test for the graduation, undergraduation courses. Okay, so in that it is purely integrated classes. So that to file. And now coming to the affiliation part, yeah, but we don't need, actually we don't have any affiliation. I do not need also in at present, because we have our affiliation for sister concern school is that called Youngblood Public School Kesinga. They have their own affiliation, and Kesinga is very small places. So up to class 10th, Youngblood is there. They take care of the class student up to class 10. But they don't, a small place that naturally they don't have the student for 11, 12. So what we have planned, there Youngblood Public School and Pragati Concept School, that both have joined together, and they started 11, 12 in Bhabanipatna to provide the best education, not only in the Kalan district, surrounding the Kalan different classes, different districts. So that today we have the best faculty from different part of the country. We have different students from the different districts, and we are producing the best result also. Last that you have must have seen the last 10 years. That is the different. Otherwise, nothing different. And regarding the coming to the affiliation part, what sir told you, naturally we have all our own that on natural time and cup. We'll have the another affiliation also. Particular Pragati, it may take one to like after the everything, when everything equipped, or then that will be there also. But in it is not technically, it is not any pro issue, particularly for student study. Another thing, so generally student ask some regarding the ragging on us. Children, I'll just share one thing. So we have the different committee, consists of the different teachers, some student leaders. So we have the that made the so different, starting for the discipline, then there are different activities committees there, then ragging committees there, then like in misuse or misbehave to the girls, so that a lot of all committees there, and some teachers are there. So that automatically that type of never happened. And particularly you can ask any children, particularly from Pragati who has already passed from this, the ragging is a word never used in Pragati. Nobody knows about ragging. Nobody uttered the word of ragging. So it is a ragging regime that already secretary told you. And officially we have different department, where different committee, they take care of all things, not ragging, like all the things, like particular one boys being misusing or misbehaving girls, lot of things that is abusing and this and that. As for this is required as per the CBSE guideline, and we have that. Another generally points, children's, this is a private self-finance institutions. The self-finance institution naturally will not get the topper. Okay, we'll get the top, well, and that particular we may get the topper of 30, 40, 50, 100. But in 30, 40, 50 students, naturally is a very small figure, particularly for any institution like Pragati. So in Pragati, we believe the students from all the categories, and we believe another thing also. We believe even particularly good to excellent, or believe it, somebody is general average student, to make the average to excellent. That is our strategy. We never think like big organization take naturally 80, 90 students should come and they should do well. Okay, we always welcome the 80, 85, 90 students, but we have the priority for the students for all the categories, and we maintain the minimum learning level, so that when the children in which level, maybe his 60% category, maybe in 90% category, both are get the same features, same facilities, same exposure, and so that they can do the better. If you see the Pragati exam result in the last 10 years, you will find one thing. They all the majority of the students, 70% student, average 70% student, already crossed their 10th percentage in 12th. They've broken their records. क्लास 10th का जो रिकॉर्ड एग्जाम बोर्ड एग्जाम का जो रिजल्ट होता है, तो सब बच्चे उनका 10th का रिकॉर्ड उन्होंने तोड़ा है. Because we never ask any child to compete with the others. We ask always the child, particularly that child, to compete with himself or herself, and what are the record was done, then to break that record. That is our strategy, and we are very successful in that way. Then another thing was regarding the admission procedure. Children knew this year generally no exam is already there for class thing. All the boards, they have already announced that things. And so, the evaluation process for that is followed by more or less all the boards on the basis of 9th and 10th. Same thing we also follow in Pragati. On this basis of your 9th and 10th board mark. The board means pre-board and 9th yearly or half yearly mark. We evaluate you and you can join the Pragati in that. That is the process. Nothing else. We need two things. We need your Aadhaar card, parents card. We need photographs, your and parents, and we need the mark sheet of 9th and 10th pre-board. That's enough for provisional admission Pragati. And already I've told you, our new academic session will start from the 7th June. That is from coming Monday. So maximum student must already taken the admission. I think today's figure maybe 67 or 68 something. Lot of students, they have already registered, are taking the admission this week. So those are interested, I'll invite them to the Pragati and join, so that you can be in the first group. You can choose the best that group, PCMB or PCB computer science or PCM computer, as per your choice, and do the best. And second important, if you join fast, naturally when the second group will come after revision, naturally you'll get 1 month time minimum, particularly for revision. What are the revision for the course covered in the last 1 month? That will help you to make you fundamentally strong, particularly for your academic progress. Coming to the fees, naturally, generally we should not discuss about the fees. But I'll tell you one thing. This year, this scenario, we have bifurcated the part. One part is that is the academic fees, which academic part that include your admission, and then academic, coaching, exam, like that. That part fees is always there at the time of, you have to pay at the time of admission, or you can pay the in the 2 installments, the 50% at the time of provisional admission, the balance 50 at the time of document submission. Balance rest of things depends when you will come to the hostel, when the other days club, when you will offline will start, other things will start from that times. But if anything, automatically the entire year will be online. Naturally, you have to pay the second term coaching fee. You don't need to pay the other things. Regarding the vocational courses, already I have clarified this is not a purely integrated classes. Here we basically focus on the future careers, so that we never go for this, and what are the things are required, particularly for the entrance to take the admission in the undergraduate courses. We do that, we follow that course. Other things don't. And non-academic do everything. So I think hopefully everything I have cleared If anyone any doubt, he can call me at any time. My number is 82491 70988. I'll ask Udit sir to share your number in the group also. So then you or your parents can call me, and any time I'll be available 24/7 for this. I think every thing is clear. Now I will hand out the to Sikya ma'am. Some small announcement there. By end of this session, I think we are going to complete in 10-15 minutes. After that, our secretary sir will announce. Secretary sir will announce the result of the last day. Yesterday, what are the particular Pragati Pratibha Puraskar? We will announce some other things, activities conducted in the last 1 month summer course. Thank you. God bless you, children. See you soon.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
जरूरत है ना
Start with the e-Pragati. There will start with e-Pragati.
अच्छा e-Pragati ना
This is the top.
Where conduct right. So dear students, a lot of activities were conducted. I'm so happy that many of you have participated. Okay, with full of just interest, and I think those who have participated are the winners. But we choose a winners among the winners, doesn't it? So the biggest winner is in the rapid fire session. We have debate, Pragati idols like Indian idols and the dance groups, the dance category. So in the rapid fire sessions, big congratulations to Bhaskara Sahu. Okay, that's give him a big clap. Bhaskara Sahu, congratulations, Bhaskara Sahu, and I think very nice. You should definitely whatever the rapid fire session you have done excellent, and you should definitely I think maintain this interest in this where we have been choosing rapid fire session, and it will definitely give a lot of scopes in future also. In the debate, Gautami Agrawal is, let's give her a big round of applause. Gautami Agrawal, congratulations, Gautami. In the debate competitions, very good. She has done excellently well, and this is also a very good skills. And I think a soft skill you say, or any the quality you are having. So you must keep this, this interest always. Remember, this is a very good thing. And many of have lot of knowledge, but they generally not able to express it. And debate definitely is a good platform. And I'm very happy that you have done excellent. Congratulations once again, Gautami Agrawal. And then singing, I think is Smriti Meher. Congratulations, Smriti.
Pragati Idols.
And this is the Pragati Idols. Those who have stood fast is named as Pragati Idols, Smriti Meher. Congratulations, Smriti. Okay, nice. And if everything goes well, we'd love to hear your song in the campus.
Yes.
Okay. Next is the dance competitions. D. Niharika Patra, she is a very good dancer. Okay. Congratulations, Niharika. Okay, keep this spirit alive with you always. And finally, the biggest, I think, award, or the biggest, I think, the biggest achievement, I think, in this course is the most versatile student of the course. And let us welcome. Acha. Okay, let us wait. Okay, unless more students are joining. I would tell you again that these are the things that in our home also you can develop and learn all these activities, all these skills, and at any point of time also you should not like that singing is something that you should sing from the childhood. Also at the age of after matriculation, so you can start singing, isn't it? Dance also you can start dancing from at any age. So these are the things we should have, right? So Finally, the most coveted, I would say, the versatile student of the summer course of Pragati is Afrin Fatima. Right. Congratulations, Afrin. A lot of good wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Certificate will provide to them, and prize will automatically release at the
Okay. Well done. I would say this is the one of the things that has been taken into account, everything, academic, non-academic, and finally, Afrin Fatima has been nominated. She has been nominated as the versatile student of the course. Pragati. Congratulations. And to all the students, certificates will be provided. Apart from that, also, we will give an appreciation letter. Right. Congratulations to all the winners and congratulations to all the participants also. Right.
750 plus student appeared there. Top 10, the bottom.
Okay.
Then third will be this one, second one, then first one. All will get the certificate of excellency, and all others will get the certificate.
You know that Pragati Pratibha Puraskar was conducted on 30th, was around 750 law students. They appeared the examinations, and I think this is the most important thing, as because we are going to study in Class 2 Science, and this category is very important. And where we have chosen top 10 students who have done excellent work, and very happy that the students we have conducted, I think 60 marks. So many students, and the content of your examinations was that what we have learned in the summer course only, and that was continued from the class 11th. And many of you have done excellent work. Even I think some of the students have got 100% marks, right? So it is, the competition was very tough. It was very difficult to exactly judge. So there is a little mark variation among all of you. And we have chosen top 10 students, which I am going to announce from the bottom only, bottoms. So then only we'll go into this one. But I am telling you that in the last 1 month, each one of you, those who has appeared, I can say, have studied really well in this pandemic period also and done excellent. The list is as follows. In the 10th position, the Pragati Pratibha Puraskar PPP 2012 Pragati, Arpita Patnaik. Right, Arpita Patnaik in the 10th position. Schools is Odisha, OAB Bangomunda Kuksara. Okay, congratulations, Arpita Patnaik. Then in the 9th position, good. 9th position, Adarsh Panda, OAB Kursud. Congratulations, Adarsh, you are doing good. Then in the 8th position, Sakti Dev from Bimla Convent Schools. Congratulations, Sakti. Then in 7th position, Saloni Sahu from Elnishi Mission School. Then in 6th position, Afrin Fatima from Young Blood Public Schools. Congratulations, Afrin. Then from in the 5th position, Ritika Agrawal from OAV Bangamunda. Ritvi Agrawal. Then in the 4th position, Parmeshwar Naik from Shastriji Model Schools, Bhavani Patna. Congratulations, Parmeshwar now.
All will get this, all students will get the certificate.
Okay, so these students from rank 4 to rank 10 will get the certificates, and we have now the top 3 students. So hold your breath. Number 3 positions, Bhaskar Sahu, right? He will get a cash prize of 4,000 rupees, and he's from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya OAB, Mansi Munda, Kesinga. Congratulations, Bhaskar. You have done well, excellent. And in the 2nd positions, then just going to give you the name. In the 2nd position, Arpit Patnaik from Bimla Convent Schools. Congratulations, Arpit. Okay, so it was a very
thank you, sir.
Decide, huh? So you have done excellently well, and that, right? Congratulations. We hope you carry forward this interest in study further, and finally the moment for which we all are waiting, and it was very difficult to. Actually, it is not so much difficult as because you have done excellent to us. Swadesh Kumar Panda from JNV Narla. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Swadesh. You have done excellent work.
Thank you, sir.
Your interest in academics is commendable. I am sure you are going to do a lot of things. You have to achieve a lot of things. Always remember, keep your ambition high. Okay. So Swadesh Kumar Panda, congratulations, the number ones and the winners of the Pragati Pratibha Puraskar 2021.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Okay, so we are planning to conduct this ceremony. You must have seen in the Facebook, if you are having in Pragati groups, you have seen that in the last year's Pragati Pratibha Awards was conducted in much fanfare. I think it was an excellent program where we invited Captain Mishra, Honorable Minister as a guest, Pradeep Naik, Honorable Leader of Opposition as a guest, and they actually given out the prizes to all these achievers. It was I think one of the best programs we had at last years. So we are planning to do it in an online way, where we'll be talking to the Honorable Minister, or if not, then we can go for somebody else from that position also. So we will be conducting this online way, and if possible, these prizes and certificates will be given to all those achievers. Okay, all the best. And finally, I would say before we conclude, to others from position 4 to 10. All everybody who has taken part in this Pragati Pratibha Puraskar will get a certificate, e-certificate, right? So participation certificate. So before we conclude, I would like to have a small suggestion and request to all of you, because you know that today the whole world is passing through the most difficult time, and we should not take it so easily. This pandemic, this COVID-19 is really dangerous. I have seen my friends passing away in front of my eyes. Those who are my childhood friends. So I'm telling you, don't take this virus so easily. Be in your homes, stay in your homes and study. You are having a lot of things in the digital world. You can do a lot of things in your house. Stay in your homes. Apart from that, tell your seniors, tell your parents, tell your grandparents not to go outside also, as because I know you are already going to study in the college. You all are mature enough. You know a lot of things, and it is your parents will also be very happy when you give and put a suggestion like this. Papa ki mommy, don't go outside, and this is a very difficult time going through. Remember, this is a difficult time, and this time will go very shortly. So take care. Have a good day, and my best wishes. Thank you. Over to Sikya to conclude. Over to Sarath Sir, Principal, to give vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, students. Am I audible?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
First of all, a big congratulations. Big congratulations to all the winners. And moreover, I also appreciate all the students who have participated. To become winners, first you need to participate. That is the first step, and you have done that. Maybe today you are not the winners. Maybe tomorrow you will become, and we will guide you. Okay. Congratulations to all the winners of yesterday's exam, and also to the winners of activity exams, and especially to Afrin Fatima for being so versatile and entertaining us through your academic and non-academic activities. I also appreciate the student who has sent a personal video to all the teachers and thanking them. Last 1 week, all the teachers have worked so hard, and after seeing one video like that, they all forgot the efforts they have put in to make you understand the subject in a simpler way. I thank you for that. And before ending, I would like to thank the Secretary Sir and the academic head to taking up time from their busy schedule and giving us so that they can interact with you all and I hope most of your doubts have been cleared. And still, if you have any doubts, you can reach any one of us. You can reach Secretary Sir, Academic Head, myself, Udit Sir, and Rohit Sir for your admission related questions or college related queries. All the details of all our faculties will be shared in the group. And before, I would like to thank everyone and end this program here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Vijay sir.
Thank you, sir.